I am here in my kitchen and today I am gone. Nah, teach you how to make an authentic spaghetti bolognese. The best part about this recipe is that it's very easy to make and even the kids will love it. This recipe has been passed down to me by my grandmother. It's a traditional recipe from Bologna, Italy, and it's perfect for any occasion. First, we need some high-quality spaghetti. Get a small bowl and grate about 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. So add the cooked spaghetti to a large bowl. Pour the sauce on top the spaghetti and toss to coat the pasta in the sauce. Serve immediately with a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese and fresh parsley. Set the Parmesan cheese aside for serving. In just a few easy steps, you've made an authentic spaghetti bolognese. This dish is hearty, flavorful, and perfect for a cozy night in. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking. Now once the sauce is thickening, we want to season it with salt and pepper to taste. Then we want to add the crispy pancetta back into the sauce. Stir to combine and then remove the skillet from the heat. We're going to need about 340 grams of spaghetti. And for the sauce, we're going to need 100 grams of pancetta, finely chopped. We're also going to need 1 large onion, finely chopped as well. Then we need 2 carrots, also finely chopped. Then we'll need a little bit of fresh thyme. Of course, we need our beef, and we've need about 500 grams of ground beef for this recipe. Salt and pepper to taste. And then, finally, we're going to need about 250 milliliters of red wine. Now, I like to use a full-bodied red wine like a Chianti or a Barbera. But really, anything you have on hand will do just fine. And of course, we need some Parmesan cheese for serving and some fresh parsley. All right, so let's begin with the ingredients, right? So first things first, get a large pot of salted water boiling for the pasta, okay? Then add the spaghetti and cook according to the package instructions. While the pasta is cooking, we want to start working on the sauce. So add the pancetta to a large skillet over medium heat. Cook the pancetta until it's nice and crispy. Once the pancetta is crispy, remove it from the skillet and set it aside. Now add the onion, carrot, and thyme to the skillet and cook until the onion is nice and translucent. This should take about 5 minutes. Then add the ground beef and break it up with a wooden spoon. Continue to cook the beef until it's no longer pink. Once the beef is cooked through, add the red wine and bring it to a boil. Then reduce the heat to low, cover and simmer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, uncover the skillet and continue to simmer until the sauce has thickened. This should take about 5 more minutes. While the sauce is simmering, we want to prepare the Parmesan cheese. Now we want to serve the spaghetti. And there you have it.